So I'm out here today, and we're going to be replacing the sweeps on the field cultivator. I believe there are 47 of them. They're pretty wore out. I'll show you a comparison, new to old, here in a second. But this video is sponsored by WD-40. So this is a paid promotion. And today we are going to be testing out and using the WD-40 Ease Reach with a flexible straw. So you can basically get into hard to reach places with it. And we are also going to be using the WD-40 Trigger Pro, which is not an aerosol, non-aerosol. See? So I know some people, they might have problems with aerosol cans, or they don't like them, or maybe they're in a place where you can't use them. So this is the solution for that. We're going to be showing both today. You can get these products pretty much at any farm store retailer like Norby's, Fleet Farm, Tyson's. I think you can get them, actually you can get them at Walmart too. Basically any hardware farm store will more than likely have them. So I have a stuck bolt right here. It's on reverse, and we'll use the Trigger Pro. You can adjust it to go into one stream, or you flip this around like this, and you can get it to go spray in a wider stream. So that's always nice. While I oil the next one, there's a link in the description to go check out these WD-40 products along with the rest of their store of their specialist series. So I have let the WD-40 spray soak in for probably a minute or two. And I am going to see if I can get them off. So here we go. Buzz that one right off. Buzz that one right off. Take this sweep, which looks like it's rusted on there too. Might have to use some more WD-40. Grab this one right here. There's a little gap right here. I'm spraying the oil down into it. While that's soaking, I'll see if I can get this one off. Not a problem. And this is not the most powerful air tool in the world either. We have a little tiny air compressor too. So that one came off without problems as well. Well, the WD-40 loosened the shovel. Seems like the bolts are stuck, so we're going to give it a little tap. This came with the new shovels, sweeps came with new bolts, so got it. You can see how much rust is on this bolt. Maybe you can't. Focus. See how much rust is on the bolt. So, I don't even know if I could have done this without any WD-40. I'll do one without WD-40 and see how it goes. Well, we got one loose. The other one didn't go. I think we're going to have to use WD-40. Grab the Trigger Pro here. Let it soak in for like 10 seconds or so. We can get it off now. Wow. I mean, if that isn't proof, I don't know what is. I'm going to show you the difference between a new shovel and a old one. Actually, they're called sweeps. I keep calling them shovels. Anyway, I'll place the old one over top of the new one. Yeah. Grab 2 bolts. Let's see. Like there. There. And then we'll grab 2 nuts. Now it has snow in the socket, which is always nice. So we're down here in the dairy barn, and I'm going to show you another use for these WD-40 products. We have this barn door right here that we shut when we're locking the cows up, and it is on rollers up there. But currently, the rollers are super dry, so it shuts pretty hard. I think I showed my point here, so I'm gonna open it back up. There we go. And we're going to oil the track up there. So the first one I'm going to use is the WD-40 Ease Reach with the flexible straw on it. So let's see. Go up here and spray that side, and then I'm gonna bend the straw towards me so I can get the other side. Like that. So let's try the door out. It actually moves, unlike before. Before it just kept catching me. Moves pretty easily. We open this thing probably 10 times a day. So that's going to make it so much easier being able to actually roll the door shut in a timely manner. Look at that. Wow. That worked pretty good, actually. Can't go wrong with WD-40, can you?